Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going down 275 headed to work, and I have the trailer behind me, and my dad and I, we just finished up the Timbren 3,500 pound axle swap on it. This trailer had a 1,000 pound axle on it before, and we're going to pick up some more steel today so we can finish the rooftop temp frame. I just wanted to give a brief update on how this trailer is pulling and what the differences are that I noticed almost immediately on this route that I normally take to work, which I've pulled this trailer before on. For the first update, it definitely rides a lot quieter. Before, I would hear a lot of chatter from the trailer, and that was just basically because that leaf spring wasn't giving much give on the road. And with this new 3,500 pound axle, there's a rubber isolator that acts as the shock, so that is absorbing a lot more of the bumps. I can also feel that transaction in my hitch. So before, my hitch would make a lot of bouncing chatter. I noticed that a lot of that is gone. I mean, there's still some there. It's not completely out of the equation, but it's a lot less. Right now, this trailer is empty, and there's no weight back there besides the trailer itself. But it definitely is a lot quieter to pull. I've also noticed, just by looking in the rearview mirror, because I can see the top of the gate, like I said, there's just a lot less of that bucking of the trailer. I don't hear the tailgate slapping back and forth as much. But right now, I'm really impressed with this. We haven't adjusted any of the camber or toe. You do get some spacers with it. We did take some measurements, and it's pretty close to where it was. I don't see the trailer swaying back and forth, giving any indication that anything is off. So my dad took some great measurements and got the wheels practically where they were. But right now, I'm really impressed with this. I can't wait to get the tint on here, add a little bit of weight, and we're going to shoot some footage on that, get that install going. We do have Dio Dynamics open house March 19th, and we are trying to make the date to go out there. So we want to try to finish this trailer, get the kitchen built for it, and enjoy that event. I'll have some footage on that as well. But if you're thinking that you are on the fence on buying these Timbren axles, I'm not sponsored by them. I did purchase them myself, but these are some great axles. I'm really impressed so far and feel like I made a good choice on buying those. If you have any questions about the install, types of tools we used, how we did the measurements, feel free to comment down below. I'll put the link again of where I got them. And if you could like our page, subscribe, share it with your friends, that would be great. We're currently sitting at 396 subs. I'm trying to hit that 1,000 mark. And if you really enjoy Rust Belt Broncos, let us know. And I enjoy being on this channel and doing this type of review for you. And feel free to ask any comments or questions that you may have below. Thanks, and have a great day.